So in this video, we're going to do a little reaction test drive video with my buddy. He hasn't driven his car in 2 years, so let's see how that goes. Yeah, so this is his Evo. If you watched the last video, we just got done fixing it. He hasn't really driven it. Actually, probably longer than 2 years. It had a bad clutch master cylinder, and a clutch was starting to slip, so he really couldn't drive it. Well, then all that other stuff happened. But let's go to his house, give it to him, and see how it goes. He hasn't heard the exhaust yet either, so that should be interesting.
Definitely needs to get detailed. That's for sure.
Yeah. Check out the exhaust.
Ooh. Okay. That asymmetry, man.
It looks
But
fine.
at the same time, it's fantastic. Dude, boot it up. Or...
Boot it up.
Sorry.
You've been driving electric too long.
Alright. It sounds good.
Dude, I was a little worried. NVIDIA's kind of
good.
known for being a little loud. It's not.
It sounds hella good, actually.
Yeah.
I haven't seen this car in 2 years or whatever,
Yeah.
a year and a half.
Which way should I go, left or right?
Right's more fun, so.
Are you ready, kid?
Yep.
Oh, we just blew off that fucking intercooler pipe, I'll bet. Yep. I've been driving around beating on it, and the first time I drive it with you.
Of course.
You got tools at the house, right?
Yeah.
Good for content.
You know what? Better you doing it than me doing it, and I'm like, I have no idea what just happened, so.
Yeah.
No, actually, it sounds really good.
It does, dude.
Jesus.
I'm real impressed with it.
On a Sunday, but seriously, no, it sounds really, really good, so.
Alright, let's fix this real quick.
Okay.
Yeah, just as I thought. There's no bead on that, so I'm gonna have to put a bead on it, but it'll work for now. I'm just gonna put it back in there, and yeah. I mean, I haven't done cruising highway speeds. Alright, ready?
Yep.
Round two.
Nice.
Yeah, she rips.
Yeah.
I know, I forgot. I got on it after put the exhaust. I was like, holy Jesus.
On a 4B11.
Yeah. So now what we need to do is we need to get some E85 in
yep.
this bitch.
And honestly, it's gonna be cheaper, so.
Yeah.
Well, at least in the short term, it'll be cheaper. I think I could technically make my money back on it, so.
Usually, I mean, it depends on the station, but usually you net ahead with E85, even though you have to fill up more often. And with this car, because we're not going super crazy, we can put a 340 in it. We don't need to hardwire the fuel pump. We can put 1050s in it because they're plenty for a 2-liter, which they're half the price.
You lost me. Oh, injectors?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, okay.
1050s are half the price of 1300s.
Okay.
And that's pretty much all you really. Well, then we need an ethanol content.
Ballpark is
with a dyno tune for pump gas and E85. You're probably looking at 2 bills.
Oh, that's not bad. I can do that.
Yeah, parts is probably about $1,000.
Okay, and then the
tune's
tuning,
probably
yeah,
about
okay.
$1,000.
And then transport, so a little more than that, than 2,500 or something like that, or
Transport.
Moving vehicle to.
It's not gonna cost you $500.
Okay. All right. Well.
It's just in Madison.
Oh, Madison?
Yeah.
Oh, well, what happened to the Philadelphia guy or whatever?
Oh no, we won't do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not worth it.
No, Kelly Moss will tune it for us.
Okay. All right, yeah, then totally doable.
Yeah, not
start
bad,
ordering
not bad.
up the parts. Well, let me drive it for a week.
Yeah.
And then I'll complain about gas prices, and then
I figured that would probably be a next spring. I mean, we could do it this year if you wanted to, but I figured that's probably a next spring ordeal.
Oh, but I'm just saying, I've got the cash now, so
If you want to get it done,
so.
it literally, like, putting the parts in is so easy on these cars.
Okay, on 4B11s.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it'll be like half a day, we'll say, to do all of it. To do like the flex fuel sensor.
You said that before.
Yes.
On the transmission.
And here's the thing.
Okay.
In my head, I was thinking 2 hours. So I already added a couple hours to be safe.
Okay. God damn it.
Yeah, because the flex fuel sensor, like, we just hooked that up in line. That's not a big deal. The pump, like, just pop it off, put it in. Same with the fuel injectors. It really shouldn't be that much work.
Okay. Did you change it, or did I just never change it? Like, does it kind of feel boaty to you?
You've always had it really soft. I've always told you should
Okay.
stiffen it up.
It's kind of boaty feeling.
Yeah.
So maybe it's been over a year, like, or maybe
It's been like 2 years.
Yeah,
Because,
okay.
like, we did the clutch in 2021. You didn't drive it in 2020 because of the clutch issues.
Yep.
And so it's been like since 2019 is the last time you drove it.
Okay.
And you had slipping clutches last time you drove it.
Yeah, that's true. That is
So
very
like it's
true.
almost been even 3 years.
Okay. I actually just kind of want to hear it from, like, you know.
Well, like windows down. I was gonna suggest that, but
Yeah. It might be bad for the audio.
that's all right.
You could do a voiceover if you have anything, or it's just B-roll. So. Yep. Forgot about that too.
Yeah.
It's loud. So, but that's always been
yeah,
here,
that's-
you know.
yep.
So it's like you were saying, like, it's more like that visceral feeling.
Yes.
It's like
It's different. You know?
Canon EV, you know.
They
It's
can
like
be just as fast. I am not going to argue the fact that electric cars are fast. It's just there's
Or they're
something,
quick.
Yeah,
They're quick, yeah.
There's just something about the visceralness of an
Yeah.
internal combustion engine.
viscerality. I don't know, like, but no, it's loud and it's jerky. You know,
Yeah.
it's like no,
It's
I like that.
aggressive, You know, it's mean.
I like that. It's been a minute since I've, like, wanted to drive, like,
Yeah, I get it.
a gas car. So, like, you know what? Thank you for restoring faith with the Evo, because no, after that clutch change, man.
Dude, I get it. And, like, and the worst part is, like, it was 2 problems that I thought was just one problem. You know, like, why the check engine light was a completely separate thing, and that was, like, you know, that's really what kind of threw everything for a major loop there. Well, Ivan, what do you think?
Good.
Happy to have it back?
Yes, I'm very happy. It just needs more power now.
Yeah.
All it got was, like, slightly louder, you know, and it runs well. So
Yeah.
I'm ready for this. Ready for the journey to E85. That's what it is.
Perfect. Yeah, so as you guys saw, I ended up having to give Ivan a ride. He had a little too many drinky drinks before I got there. So it's just better that way. I did get a text from him the next day that he did admit that he likes it and definitely wants it to go faster. So look out forward to the E85 build on that car. But that's actually where I'm gonna leave this video. So if you guys like what you see, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time.